So y'all, I'm in my closet. My closet looks a mess. When I tell you a mess. I have clothes everywhere that I need to organize, but it's time to get ready for brunch. But I'm kind of confused on what to wear. So I have this green. Do I not know my colors? I have this orange dress that I could wear, but I feel like it's too bright. Very bright. It's like a neon orange. I don't think the lighting is giving me very much, but yeah, it's real bright in person. So I'm about to find another outfit and see how things go. I also have, let me see, I could wear this cute shirt for brunch. I could wear this. No, I can't. I guess I can't. Okay, I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but I think you can. So I came up with this idea of this dress I got off SHEIN, the shoes from SHEIN, my Burberry perfume. I always buy the roll perfume because I like to travel and I like to keep it with me. So, and then I got my Dooney and Berg. I think this is the outfit that I'm going to go with. I did have another outfit that I'm going to show you guys, but I think this is the one. This is the one. I think this is the one. It gotta be the one. So this is one of the outfits that I had picked out, and I like this because it's very summery. It's giving me very summer vibes, and I haven't worn it before. I still have the tag on it, if you can tell. I got this from Fashion Nova, I believe. Yeah, Fashion Nova. It's a neon dress, neon orange dress. I was gonna pair it with these white sandals. And as always, we're Dooney and Berg. I was trying to tone it down a little bit because it is real orange, very bright. Give me very much highlighter, very much traffic cone. So I don't know if I would wear this. I would probably wear this for like another day, or I don't know, but we'll see. We'll try it on and see how it goes. But this is one of the outfits that I did pick out. I don't know, I might wear this. So I decided to go with this dress, and it's so cute. And the shoes. It is so cute. Okay, the dress is giving me very much brunch vibes. Don't mind my dirty mirror. Looks a mess, but, or my package in the back. But this is the look.